Hey, my name's Josh. I'm one of the educators here at Stahls TV. You're getting ready to watch some great content from one of our presenters, Jenna. If you like what you see, well then like the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can stay updated on fresh, relevant content like this to help you grow your business.
Customized headwear continues to thrive in the apparel decoration industry, and Beanies is one of the top at the list. In the past, heat printers have been a little weary when it comes to heat pressing this style of headwear because of its acrylic content. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can heat apply one of these beanies successfully using the 360 IQ. The 360 IQ hat press offers both top and bottom heat, which allows us to print very unique heat transfers and heat sensitive items such as this beanie. Whenever I load this on, I want to make sure that the cuff is in a single layer so that the heat is applying accurately from the bottom and the top platens. Now we're going to take our embroidered patch and place it. I'm going a little bit off center for this application, and then we're going to cover with the foam pad that comes with the hat press. Our bottom heat is set to 320 degrees, while our top heat is set to 280. Our embroidered patches apply from 30 to 45 seconds. Since this is a heat-sensitive fabric that we're working with, we're going to go with that 30-second dwell time. Once our heat press is finished with that application, we can go ahead and remove the beanie. And as you can see, we have a completed customized beanie without compromising the finish of the acrylic fabric. There are many popular beanies out there in the market that you can get wholesale, such as this Richardson chunk knit beanie that I source from S&S Activewear. To get started with embroidered patches and the 360 IQ, visit Stahls.com.